Nick Bob WTF are you doing?
Bob, I'm playing Roblox online while Luigi is trying to kill a noob with a frickin' piece of grass.
Nick, why is he doing that? Nick OMG or AA.
Bob, what a ball sack.
Nick, yes, you just won the minute to win IT quiz, you won the $1 million.
Bob. Dash, why is it you who is always more of a noob besides frickin' crazy Robloxian?
Nick, because Imreed rated Purple Barney and we live in a big happy farm.
Bob, and let's say Elmo.
Nick, nah, oh no, not Elmo. A half hour later, AK-47 ga, Elmo knows where Nick lives. Nick and Death Ray go. Boom boom boom.